In this video, I'm going to show you how to install VirtualBox on a Windows 11 machine. So first thing we need to do is we need to go to Google or your favorite web browser, search engine, and search for VirtualBox. I'm going to click on the first download, the first link, and click on Windows host because we want to install it on Windows. And it's going to start to download. I actually already downloaded it, so we're going to go ahead and cancel that. Minimize the screen and go find the installation exe. Here it is. Simply going to double click it. Click on yes to allow this application to change your device. And installation is going to start. Here's your welcome window. We simply have to click on next. And here's telling us where it's going to store VirtualBox. I'm totally fine with this location. If you're not, you can definitely change it by clicking on browse and selecting the location that you want. I'm going to go ahead and click next. It's going to give us a warning about network interfaces. Go ahead and just click yes. And then you're going to get to the ready to install window. Just click install. It'll take a few minutes, hopefully less, and we should have VirtualBox up and running. All right, we already can see the shortcut, and we are done with the installation. I'm going to go ahead and click finish, and I have this selected so it can start up. So here's our VirtualBox Manager application. From here, you will click on New to select the new VM, and then you will load your ISO, your image, etc., and follow along, and you will have a virtual machine installed. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe and like the video if you would like to see more content like this. Thank you.